students, welcome to our next session. In today's discussion, we are going to learn the topic chemical reactions and equations. In today's discussion, we are going to see oxidation reaction and examples. Second, reduction reaction and example. Third, corrosion and example. Redox reaction. And last point, rancidity. Now see oxidation reaction is the loss of electrons during a reaction by molecule, atom or ion oxidation occurs when the oxidation state of a molecule, atom or ion in increase. The chemical reaction in which a reactant combines with oxygen or loss of hydrogen to form the product is called as oxidation reaction. For example, magnesium combined with oxygen forms to magnesium oxide. And next, carbon is combined with oxygen forms to carbon dioxide. Now oxidation reaction is the next part. The CH3 single bond CH3 forms to CH2 double bond CH2. CH3 single bond CH2 single bond OH. Nascent oxygen and the potassium dichromate forms to CH3 single bond COOH. Here the acidic potassium dichromate makes oxygen available for the oxidation of reactant ethyl alcohol. Such chemical substances which bring about an oxidation reaction by making oxygen available are called oxidant or oxidizing agent. Oxidation, a variety of oxidants are used to bring about a controlled oxidation. For example, potassium dichromate are commonly used chemical oxidant. Hydrogen peroxide is used as a mild oxidant. Ozone is also chemical oxidant because our book use your brain. First question, which is oxidant used for purification of drinking water? Ozone is the oxidant used for purification of drinking water. So it is a chemical oxidant. Nascent oxygen is straight prior to formation of the O2 molecule. It is a reactive form of oxygen and it is represented by writing the symbol of as a in bracket of nascent oxygen. Oxidation reaction, iron sulfate is transferred into iron sulfide. Now next, reduction reaction. Reduction reaction, the chemical reactions in which reactant gain hydrogen are called as reduction reactions. The reaction in which a reactant loses oxygen to form the product is also called reduction reaction. The substances that brings about reduction is called reductant or reducing agent. When hydrogen gas is passed over black copper oxide, a reddish colored layer of copper form. For example, copper oxide combined with hydrogen forms to copper and water is released. Student, see one reaction. Copper oxide combined with hydrogen forms to copper and hydrogen. water. In this reaction, an oxygen atoms goes away from copper oxide, which means that reduction of copper oxide takes place, whereas hydrogen molecule takes up oxygen atom and water. Water is formed, meaning oxidation of hydrogen takes place. Thus, oxidation and reduction reactions occur simultaneously. The reductant is oxidized by oxidant and oxidant is reduced by the reductant. Due to these characteristics of reduction and oxidation reaction, a single term redox reaction is used in place of two terms. Redox reaction is equal to reduction plus oxidation. So now see the definition. Oxidation of hydrogen takes place, thus oxidation and reduction reaction occur simultaneously. The reductant is oxidized by oxidant and oxidant is reduced by reductant. These characteristics of reduction and oxidation reaction in single term is called as redox reaction. Have you seen effect of redox reaction in your everyday life? The new vehicles look shiny. On the contrary, old vehicles look dull. A certain type of reddish color solid layer collects on their metallic surface. This layer is called rust. Due to various components of atmosphere, oxidation of metals takes place, consequently resulting in their damage. This is called corrosion. Iron rust and reddish color layer is collected on it. This is corrosion of iron. Corrosion is very serious problem. We are going to study about in the next chapter in detail of corrosion. When refined metal is naturally converted to a more stable form such as its oxide, hydroxide or sulfide state is this leads the deteriorations of the material. Rusting, the formation of iron oxides is well-known example of the electrochemical corrosion. Because corrosion is the diffusion control process, it occurs the exposed surface. The rust of iron does not form by simple reaction of oxygen with iron surface. The rust is from an electrochemical reaction. Different region on surface iron became anode or cathode. For example, iron forms 2 iron in aqueous situation plus 2 electrode is the anode region. Second example, oxygen gas is combined with hydrogen aqueous condition with 4 electron. That time is forms to water. When ferrous ion is the migrate from the anode region, they react with water and further get oxidized to form ions. Due to various components of atmosphere, oxidation of metals takes place, the consequently resulting in their the damage is called as corrosion. When we use old leftover cooking oil for making foodstuffs, it is found to have foul odor called rancidity. If food is cooked in such oil, its taste also changes. When oil or ghee is left aside for long time or fried food is left aside for long time, it undergoes air oxidation and becomes rancid. Rancidity in the foodstuff cooked in oil or ghee is prevented by using antioxidants. The process of oxidation reaction of foodstuff can be slowed down by storing in an airtight container. Thank you, dear students. Stay home and stay safe.